Hello, in this video I'll show you how I turned off my check engine light related to an inefficient catalytic converter on a 2007 through 2012 Acura MDX. This is the super handling all-wheel drive version. I'll open up the gas cap here. Just to show you what I did. I was getting that code P0420, and the first thing I did was to try this Duralube catalytic exhaust treatment. I poured it in halfway with the gas halfway full, and I ran it on the highway, and the light turned off but came back on the next day. So then I bought another bottle and poured it in and ran it again on the highway, and the light just didn't come off. The bottle had good reviews. It might work in your case, but in my case it didn't work. I just poured it in with the tank halfway and took it on a little trip. Next I tried the Catalytic because I heard some good reviews, but in my case it didn't work. So then I went to the Scotty Kilmer channel, and he has a video on using lacquer thinner to clear this code. And so I said, well, I'll give it a try. And I waited until my tank was halfway, and I poured a gallon of this lacquer thinner into the tank just before I was going on another trip. And about 100 miles in, the light turned off, and the light hasn't come back on. It's been over a year, and the light hasn't come back on for this issue with the catalytic converter. I didn't want to change the catalytic converter because this vehicle has more than one cat, and they're kind of expensive to change them. So this is what worked on my case. It could work on your case. It could be the sensors, but in my case, it was just a dirty cat, and the lacquer thinner cleared it. The only light I have left here is this tire pressure sensor, which is just because my other set of wheels has a dead battery. So it cleared the code, the check engine light's gone, and it works great. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.